Hello, guys. Hello. It's me in Autumn, and it's time for story time. Yes, it's story time, guys. I am so sorry. I am late again. I had my nephews yesterday, and there was no way I could even try to make a video. So, we're gonna do story time today. So, welcome to story time. And let's sit back, relax, and get you a beverage, and let's get started, shall we? This is Autumn, and she is wearing a cute little chick outfit. Hi, guys. Her blue eyes are popping, and everything. So, today we are reading, I know it's a Valentine book, guys, but I love Pooh Bear. So, Winnie the Pooh and Valentine too. Okay, sorry. In the deep of every winter comes a most delightful event, Valentine's Day. This day, or thereabouts, Winnie the Pooh skipped through the 100-acre wood. As he reached the top of the enchanted hill, a chill wind whistled. "How rather odd," said the bear. He was always thinking about his best friend, Christopher Robin, and his is always here, except for Winnie isn't, Pooh smiled, which must mean he is elsewhere. Silly old bear. The first place Pooh thought to look was Piglet's, where Piglet tried very hard to hide what he was doing from Pooh. Maybe Christopher Robin is busy with a surprise. Maybe not. Depending, said Pooh. Depending on what? Piglet asked. Yes, on what? Answered Pooh. And what is that you have there, Piglet? Piglet sighed. I was making a Valentine card for you. Perhaps this is what Christopher Robin is doing, said Pooh. So Pooh and Piglet gathered their friends and hurried to see what Christopher Robin was doing. Pooh, Piglet, Tigger, Gopher, Rabbit, and Eeyore found Christopher Robin without him finding them, and saw that he was writing letters W-I-N. It's your name, Pooh, said Rabbit. He's spelling W-I-N. The Pooh. Oh, no, said Pooh, rather pleased. Christopher Robin read the words out loud. Dear Winifred, he read. Pooh was confused. What precisely is a Winifred? Pooh and his friends knew that this was a question for Owl, so off they went. I hope y'all are seeing this okay. A Winifred, proclaimed Owl, is a girl. When a boy reaches a certain age, sometimes a girl becomes of interest. Does that mean Christopher Robin will no longer be interested in us? Asked Pooh. My dear bear, continued Owl, this fellow's been bitten by a love bug. He's suffering from love sickness. Then we must get him to a doctor, said Pooh. Easy, Pooh boy, Tigger said. We have to get another love buggy to unbite him. To catch a bug, you need bait. In the 100-acre wood, Tigger had set a trap on top of a hill. The trap was laid with bait, and the bait was Piglet. Tigger bounced around without what lovable bug couldn't resist this lovely young lad. Isn't that hilltop actually an ant bed? Wondered Pooh. Oh, dear, cried Piglet. He scurried off the anthill. Bother, said Pooh. Something has found my honey, Tigger said. Tigger and Rabbit took a closer look at the something. It's the love bug, they shouted at once. The bug flew away and disappeared into the forest. We must find it, said Pooh, or Christopher Robin will never again be as he was. So the friends searched and searched till they found themselves deep in the heart of the forest. I do hope these I love bugs aren't fierce creatures, worried Piglet. They're mysterious things, all right, warned Gopher. One bite, and you grow into a great lumbering beast out of control, continued Rabbit. Oh my goodness. Such imaginations. Say such imaginations. Oh. And when the love bug bites you, you start making all sorts of spooky sounds, added Tigger. Then he saw it. After that bug, willy-nilly, each of the friends ran off in a different direction. Piglet was lost in the dark. Pooh Bear, he whispered. Pooh Bear. The dark echoed back. Gopher reached to grab onto Piglet's hand. Don't worry, Piglet, old pal. Just keep a tight hold of it. It was not Piglet's hand. That don't make any sense. Let me reread that, guys. Gopher reached to grab onto Piglet's hand. Don't worry, Piglet, old pal. Just keep a tight hold of it. Was not Piglet's hand. Ah. Gopher grabbed something he didn't want, didn't he? My. Tigger shivered, being all by their lonesome's not something Tiggers like best. Alone in the dark, Eeyore sighed. Pretty much says it. I have it, yelled Pooh. He caught the love bug in a jar and listened and fastened the top. Now Christopher Robin will be quite all right. Then Pooh saw that he was all alone. If only Christopher Robin was there. Were there to show me the way. Oh, sorry. And just then the lovely The love bug started to glow. "Oh my," said Pooh. He opened the jar and set the love bug free. It showed a path for Pooh to follow. And the love bug lit Gopher's way and Rabbit's and Eeyore's, and the love bug showed Piglet his way too. The love bug brought us out of the dark and back together, and said Rabbit. Pooh caught the love bug in the jar, and now we can get it back to Christopher Robin. So Christopher Robin can get back to being Christopher Robin. And said Tigger, and then he can get back to being with us, said Pooh. As they reached the top of the knoll, Christopher Robin came running. "I've been looking everywhere for you," he said. "There's something I wanted to show you." Tigger nudged Pooh. "Go on, buddy bear. Let him have it." Pooh hid the jar behind his back. "Christopher Robin didn't notice I made this card for a new friend, and I wonder what you think of it, Pooh." Pooh put down the jar and took the card. "It's very nice indeed," he said. Christopher Robin smiled and looked again at the card he'd made for Winifred. Pooh stepped aside. He opened the jar and set the love bug free. Christopher Robin didn't notice, but Rabbit, Tigger, and didn't notice, but Rabbit and Tigger did, and so did Piglet. "Why do you let it go?" he asked. "Because Christopher Robin is happy, and he is happy as he is, and I shouldn't want in any other way," answered Pooh. As the day ended, the friends were discouraged. They trudged back through the 100-acre wood to their homes. Oh, how sad. But the next morning, they each found a Valentine's Day surprise in his mailbox. What have we here?" wondered Rabbit. "ZXLQM. "Yes, sirree, that spells gopher, so it's for me," said Gopher. "What is this? What this?" stuttered Piglet. "Well, look at what somebody made for little old me," Tigger bounced. "Mistake, no doubt," sighed Eeyore, I'm so sorry, when he saw his card. Oh my goodness. Pooh huffed and puffed, and he ran up the enchanted hill to find Christopher Robin. "It's a card for you." "Is it really for me?" "It really is," answered Christopher Robin. Then we thought you found a new friend," said Pooh. "Oh, Pooh Bear, just because I care about someone else doesn't mean that I care any less for you." "Yes, I thought that too. Still, it is nice to hear it," said Pooh. "Silly old bear." Christopher Robin took Pooh's hand, and off they climbed down toward the crest of the hill. The end. And that was Winnie the Pooh and Valentine's 2. That was cute. Now, we're going to pause and get another book. Okay, we're back. Today, and the next book today is called... Sorry about that. Next book today is called... And this one's going to be hard to read because it has a lot of tongue twisters in it. And I'm going to try to do it without laughing. But it's going to be really hard, but I'm going to give it a go. So, today's book is Aunt Pitty Patty's Piggy. Y'all know I love pigs. My husband found this one at the library for me. And it's a challenge to read, guys. I've already read it once off camera. So, we're going to give it a go. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. You ready, Autumn? Alright. Once upon a time, Aunt Pitty Patty took her little niece, Nellie, to the market. While they were there, Aunt Pitty Patty bought a piggy. It was fine, fat piggy, and together little Nellie and Aunt Pitty Patty led it home. But when they got to the gate, the piggy would not go through it. Try what they may. The piggy would not budge. It just sat there, saying, "No, no, no, I will not go." At last Aunt Pitty Patty said, "I can't fool with this piggy any longer. It's getting late and supper needs fixing." So she sent little Nellie down the road to get some help. And Aunt Pitty Patty went inside to fix supper. Little Nellie went down the road, and after a bit she met a dog. Little Nellie said, "Dog, dog, come bite Aunt Pitty Patty's piggy. It's getting late and piggy's by the gate saying, 'No, no, no, I will not go.'" But the dog wouldn't. So little Nellie went a little, little Nellie went a little further. So she found a stick, and she said, "Stick, stick, come hit the dog. Dog won't bite the Aunt Pitty Patty's piggy. It's getting late, and piggy's still by the gate saying, 'No, no, no, I will not go.'" But the stick wouldn't. So little Nellie went a little further, and she found a fire. And she asked fire, "Fire, come burn the stick, so the stick won't hit the dog, and the dog won't bite Aunt Pitty Patty's piggy." It's getting late, and piggy's by the gate saying, "No, no, no, I will not go," but the fire wouldn't. So little Nellie went a little further, so she found some water, and she said, "Water, water, some douse fire. Fire won't burn the stick, stick won't hit the dog. Dog won't bite Aunt Pitty Patty's piggy. It's getting late, and piggy's by the gate saying, No, 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 I won't go. But the water wouldn't. So little Nellie went a little further down, and she found an ox. And she said, "Ox, ox, come drink water. Water won't douse the fire. Fire won't burn the stick. Stick won't hit the dog. Dog won't bite Aunt Patty's piggy. It's getting late, and Piggy's out by the gate saying, 'No, no, no, I will not go.' But the ox wouldn't. So little Nellie went a little further, and she found a butcher. And she said, 'Butcher, butcher, come scare the ox. Ox won't drink the water. Water won't douse the fire. Fire won't burn the stick. Stick won't hit the dog. Dog won't bite Aunt Patty's piggy. It's getting late, and Piggy's out by the gate saying, 'No, no, no, I will not go.' But the butcher wouldn't. So little Nellie went a little further, and she found a rope. And she said, 'Rope, come tie the butcher. Butcher won't scare the ox. Ox won't drink the water. Water won't douse the fire. Fire won't burn the stick. Stick won't hit the dog. Dog won't bite Aunt Patty's piggy. It's getting late, and Piggy's by the gate saying, 'No, no, no, I will not go.' But the rope wouldn't." I'm having a time with that little piggy, ain't they, honey? So little Nellie went a little further, and she found a rat. And she said, "Rat, rat, come gnaw the rope. Rope." Rope won't tie the butcher. Butcher won't scare the ox. Ox won't drink the water. Water won't douse the fire. Fire won't burn the stick. Stick won't hit the dog. Dog won't bite Aunt Patty's piggy. It's getting late, and the piggy's still by the gate saying, 'No, no, no, I will not go.' But the rat wouldn't. So little Nellie went a little further, and she met a cat. And she said, "Cat, cat, come chase the rat. Rat won't gnaw the rope. Rope won't tie the butcher. Butcher won't scare the ox. Ox won't drink the water. Water won't douse the fire. Won't burn the stick. Stick won't hit the dog. And the dog won't bite Aunt Patty's piggy. It's getting late, and the piggy's still by the gate saying, 'No, no, no, I will not go.' And the cat said, 'If you will fetch me some milk, I'll do it.'" So little Nellie went a little further, and she saw, I told you, tongue twister. She met a cow, and she said, "Cow, cow, give me some milk." And the cow said, "If you fetch me some hay, I will do it." So little Nellie went a little further, and she met Farmer Brown. And she said, "Farmer Brown, please give me some hay." And Farmer Brown said, "Aren't you Aunt Patty's little niece Nellie?" And little Nellie said, "Yes, I am." And little Farmer Brown said, "Where is your Aunt Patty right now?" And little Nellie said, "She's fixing supper." And the Brown said, "Well, and what's for supper?" And little Nellie said, "I don't know, but if you'll give me some hay, we can go find out." So Farmer Brown gave her some hay. Little Nellie took the hay and gave it to the cow. Then the cow had finished eating the hay, and she gave Little Nellie some milk. And then Little Nellie took the milk and gave it to the cat. And when the cat had finished drinking the milk, and he began to chase the rat, and the rat began to gnaw the rope gnawed the rope, and the rope began to tie the butcher, and the butcher began to scare the ox, and the ox began to drink the water, and the water began to douse the fire, and the fire began to burn the stick, and the stick began to hit the dog, and the dog began to bite the piggy, and the piggy went through the gate. Goodness gracious. A lot went on there, didn't it, Otto? And Farmer Brown and Little Nellie and Aunt Pitty Patty all sit down to supper. And little piggy is looking in the window. Hope y'all can see that. There you go. And that's the end of that book. That was Aunt Pitty Patty's Piggy. Thank you all for joining me today, me and Autumn, for story time. And I'm sorry again for being that day late. But you know me. I'm always a day late and dollar short. I will show you what Autumn's wearing right now. She is wearing a cutest little chick outfit. And it has a little chick and an eggshell and the pretty yellow pants that are probably too small for her. But she has no clothes. So anyway, this is Autumn. And we both want to thank you all for joining us today at Storytime. And we hope to be back on schedule next week. Y'all have a great week, not just a good week. Much love, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend. Much love. Bye-bye.